alternative mean and standard deviation of a set of 9 items are 43 and 5 respectively. If an item of value 63 is added to that set, find the new mean and standard deviation of 10 items set given. Okay, so mean of 9 items. Okay, mean of 9 items is equal to 43. It's given in the question, which implies that sum of 9 items is equal to 9 into 43, right? Because sum of 9 items means sum of the observations is equal to mean into number of observations. This is okay. So this is equal to 387. Okay. So now sum of 10 items. Okay. Sum of 10 items is equal to 387 plus 63. It's given in the question. So that is equal to 450. Okay. So sum is given, so we can find mean of 10 items, right? Mean of 10 items will be equal to this sum of 10 items divided by number of items, that is 10, which is equal to 45. Okay. So now standard deviation of 9 items, okay, is equal to 5. It is given. So that implies variance of 9 items is equal to 25 because sigma square, right, variances. So that implies 1 by 9 into sum of squares of 9 items. Okay. So minus 43 square is equal to 25. This is because since sigma square is equal to summation of xi square divided by n minus x bar square. Okay, we have a formula, right? So now this implies sum of squares of 9 items. Okay, sum of squares of 9 items is equal to 9 into 25 plus 43 square. Okay, so this will be equal to 9 into 1874, which is equal to 16866. Okay, now sum of squares of 10 items we will find now. Okay, this is equal to 16866 plus 63 square. Okay, so 63 is already given in the question, right? So this is equal to 20835. Okay, so now variance of 10 items is equal to 20835 divided by 10 minus 45 square, which is equal to 2083.5 minus 2025, which is equal to 58.5. Okay, so now ST, that is standard deviation of 10 items, is equal to root of 58.5, which is equal to 7.65. Okay, so this is the new mean and this is the new standard deviation. Okay, so now the 14th question, find the mean deviation from the mean for the following continuous frequency distribution. Okay, so sales in rupees 1000 it is given, that is our class interval, and number of companies, that is frequency. Okay, so I have already constructed a table here. Okay, so and I have also written the values of sales and the number of companies, that is our frequency Fi. Okay, now we will find the other columns. Okay, that is the midpoint of class interval. So what is the midpoint of class interval? 40 plus 50 by 2. Okay, that will be 45, right? This will be 55, then this will be 65, 75, 85 and 95, right? Now we have to do fi into xi now. Okay, what is fi into xi? 5 into 45s are, it is 225, right? Next, 15 into 55s are, it's ca 25. Okay, so this will be 1625, this will be 2250, and this will be 1700, and this will be 475. Okay, and now we have to find xi minus x bar. Okay, so if we want to find x bar, then we'll go down and we'll find it. Okay, so here before going to that, sigma of fi, that is n, is equal to the summation of all this is 100. Okay, so now here n is equal to 100. Okay, so that means mean, that is x bar, is equal to summation of fi xi divided by n. Okay, okay, so now we have to find summation of fi xi also. So this is equal to 7100. Okay, so here we get 7100 divided by n, 100. Okay, this is equal to 71. Okay, so this is our x bar. So we have to substitute that x bar here now. So xi minus x bar, what is xi? 45 minus 71, whole mod of this. Okay, that will be equal to 26. Okay, so similarly for others, this is 16, this is 6, this is 4. Okay, this is 14 and this is 24. Okay, now we have to find fi into this result. Okay, so fi is 5. 5 into 26 is 130. Okay, and 15 into 16, that will be equal to 240. Okay, so next is 150. Next it is 120. Next it is 280, and the last one it is 120. Okay, now we have to find summation of this also. Okay, so this will be equal to 1040. Okay, actually this column is extra. I have by mistake draw it as extra, so that's why I have cancelled it. Okay, now we have found fi into xi minus x bar also. So now we will proceed to the mean deviation. Okay, so therefore mean deviation from the mean deviation from the mean is equal to, the formula is 1 by n into summation of fi into xi minus x bar, which is equal to 1 by 100 into 1040. Okay, that is equal to 10.4. Okay, now the 15th one, find mean deviation about the mean of the data. Okay, so class interval is given and frequency is given. Okay, so I have constructed a table and I have already written the values of class interval and frequency. Okay, now we will proceed with the other columns. Okay, so midpoint. What is the midpoint? 0 plus 10 by 2, that is 5. Okay, here 10 plus 20 by 2, that is 15. Next, this is 25, 35, and this is 45. Okay, and so now we have to find di. Di is equal to xi minus 25. Actually, this is a. Okay, this is a. Xi minus a by h. Okay, so we have to find a and h values first. Then we can proceed with this. Okay, so assumed mean, that is a, is equal to our assumed mean is 25, right? 25, and then h, that is class interval, is 10, right? Because difference between each range is 10. Okay, so now we'll substitute that here, that is xi is 5. Okay, this 5 minus a is 25 divided by h is 10. Okay, so that is equal to minus 15 by 10, right? sorry, minus 20 by 10. So that is equal to minus 2 it will be. Okay. So similarly here, 15 minus 25 by 10, then it will be 10 by 10, that is minus 1. Okay. So similarly this will be 0, this will be 1, and this will be 2. Okay. So now fi into di. Okay. This 5 into minus 2, that will be minus 10. Then 8 into minus 1 is minus 8. This will be 0. This will be 16 and this will be 12. Okay. Now we have to find xi minus x bar. So for that we have to calculate x bar first, right? So we'll do that below. Okay. So x bar, okay, mean that is x bar is equal to a plus summation of fi di divided by n into h. Okay, this is the formula. So we'll substitute this 25 plus summation of FIDI. Okay, before that we have to find the summation of this. Okay, so this is summation of Fi, which is equal to N. So this summation is 50. Okay, and summation of FIDI is 10. Okay, so now we have to substitute these values here. So it is 25 plus 10 by 50 into 10. Okay, so that is equal to 25 plus 100 by 25. So that is equal to, okay, 20, sorry, this is 50. Okay, 50. So this is equal to 27. Oh, okay. So our x bar is 27. So we'll substitute this value in the table. So what do we get? Xi value is 5. Okay, this 5 minus x bar is 27. Okay, so is equal to 22. Okay, similarly 15 minus 27, it will be 12. Okay, then 2, this is 8, this is 18. Okay, now fi into xi minus x bar. So what is fi? This is 5, right? So 5 into 22, which is 110. Then this will be 8 into 12, that is 96. This is 30, 128, then this is 108. So summation of this will be equal to 472. Okay, so now we will find the mean deviation. Okay, mean deviation about mean. Okay, this is equal to summation of fi into xi minus x bar divided by n. Okay, this is equal to 472 divided by 50, which is equal to 9.44 we get. Okay, so we get it as 9.44 approximately. Okay, so now the 16th one, find the variance and standard deviation of the following frequency distribution. Okay, so for that we have to construct a table, right? So I have already constructed the table and written the values of xi and fi also in the table. Okay, so now we will find fi into xi. Okay, which is 4 into 3 is 12 here. This is 40. This is 99. This is 85, 80, 72 and 32. Okay, and xi minus x bar. Okay, so for that we have to find x bar, right? So x bar, for that first we have to find summation of fi. Summation of fi, that is n, is equal to 30 here. Okay, just sum all these values, you will get it as 30. Then summation of fi xi is equal to 420 here. Okay, so with that we will find our x bar. Okay, so here n is equal to 30, then summation of fi xi is equal to 420. Okay, now mean. Okay, mean, that is x bar is equal to sigma summation of fi xi divided by n, which is equal to 420 divided by 30. This is equal to 14. Okay, so now we'll substitute this x bar value in this table. So what do we get? Xi is 4 minus 14. So this is, sorry, this we don't have mod here. Okay, so just substitute 4 minus 14. This is equal to minus 4, sorry, minus 10. This is okay, minus 10. Then 4, this is 8 minus 14, that is equal to minus 6. Similarly for the others, minus 3, 3, 6, 10 and 18. Okay, so xi minus x bar the whole square. So square of this, okay, this will be 100, this will be 36, 9, 9, 36, 100, and this will be 324. Okay, now we will find fi into xi minus x bar whole square. So that is equal to 3 into 100 is 300. Then 5 into 36 is 180. Then this will be 81, 45, 144, 300 and 324. Okay. Now summation of this will be equal to 1374. Okay. So now we will find our variance. Okay. So variance, that is sigma square, is equal to 1 by n into summation of fi into xi minus x bar whole square. Okay, which is equal to 1 by 30 into 1374 here. Okay, which is equal to 45.8. Okay, we got variance as 45.8. So therefore standard deviation. Okay, we have to find this also and this also, right? So variance we have found. Now the standard deviation is just the sigma. So that means the square root of the variance value. Okay, so square root of 45 minus 8, it will be 6.77. Okay, so this is our answer. So that's it, students. Here answer long answer questions and also the chapter 8. Okay, so I'll come again with another chapter in my next video. Please like, share and subscribe if you like this videos, and also please share with your friends. Okay,